Hello, this is Sujata Kancharla. Today I am going to discuss about inequalities. This is very much useful for all competitive exams. Coming to introduction, two real numbers are two algebraic expressions related by the symbol greater than, less than, greater than equal, less than equal, and a less than b and a greater than b are plain inequalities. A greater than equal b or b less than equal to a are called inequations. For two real numbers a and b, the inequality a greater than b means that a minus b is positive. The inequality a less than b means that a minus b is negative. Let's discuss about properties. LHS plus constant greater than RHS plus same constant. LHS minus constant greater than RHS minus same constant. LHS into positive constant greater than RHS into same positive constant. LHS by positive constant greater than RHS by same positive constant. LHS into negative constant less than RHS into same negative constant. LHS by negative constant less than RHS by same negative constant. Let's discuss about properties. First one, if A greater than B, then B less than A, vice versa. Second one, if A greater than B and B greater than C, then A greater than C. For example, 5 greater than 4 and 4 greater than 0, then 5 greater than 0. Third one, if A greater than B and C greater than D, then A plus C greater than B plus D. For example, 5 greater than 3 and 3 greater than 0. Hence, 5 plus 3 greater than 3 plus 0. Fourth one, if A greater than B and C less than D, then A minus C greater than B minus D. For example, 5 greater than 4 and 0 less than 3. Then 5 minus 0 greater than 4 minus 3. Fifth one, if A, B, C, D are non-negative numbers such that A greater than B and C greater than D, then AC greater than BD. For example, 5 greater than 4 and 4 greater than 0, hence 20 greater than 0. Let's discuss about another properties. If A and B are positive numbers where A greater than B, then A power n greater than B power n for any natural number n. Seventh one, if A and B are positive numbers where A power 1 by n greater than B power 1 by n for any natural n greater than equal to 2. Next, eighth one, 1 by A power n less than 1 by B power n, then A power minus n less than B power minus n. Next one, the square of every real quantity is positive and therefore greater than 0, then A minus B whole square positive. Next, coming to 10th one, let A and B be two positive quantities, S their sum and P their product, then 4AB equals to S square minus A minus B whole square. Then S square equal to 4P plus A minus B whole square. Hence, if S is given, P is greatest when A equal to B, and if P is given, S is least when A equal to B. 11th one, if A1 greater than B1, A2 greater than B2, and so on, AM greater than BM, then A1 plus A2 plus and so on plus AM greater than B1 plus B2 plus and so on plus BM. And in case the numbers are non-negative, then A1 into A2 into A3 and so on, AM greater than B1 into B2 into B3 and so on, BM. Let's discuss about some examples. X minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 whole cube into x minus 5 less than 0. This equation valid for case 1, x plus 1 less than 0 and x minus 5 greater than 0. X plus 1 less than 0 means x less than minus 1. X minus 5 greater than 0 means x greater than 5. Then x less than minus 1 and x greater than 5 simultaneously, this cannot happen together. Case 2, x plus 1 greater than 0 and x minus 5 less than 0. Then x greater than minus 1 or x less than 5. Then minus 1 less than x less than 5 is the answer. Let's discuss about last example. Solve the inequality x minus 1 whole square into x plus 1 whole cube by x power 4 into x minus 3 less than equal to 0. The above expression becomes negative when the numerator and denominator takes opposite signs. That means that numerator is positive and the denominator is negative, vice versa. Case 1, numerator positive and denominator negative. The sign of numerator determined by x plus 1 and of the denominator is determined by x minus 3. This condition happens when x less than 3 and x greater than minus 1 simultaneously. Case 2, numerator negative and denominator positive. This happens when x less than minus 1 and x greater than 3 simultaneously. This will never happen. Hence, the answer will be minus 1 less than equal to x less than 3. Thank you. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, comment and give suggestions.